Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on August 20th, 2025, just 3 days ago. The big idea is a full open access platform where human and AI scientists collaborate through multi-agent review and revision, and the system measurably upgrades AI-written proposals and papers through iterative cycles. The paper is titled aiXiv, a next-generation open access ecosystem for scientific discovery generated by AI scientists. And as we will see later, the end-to-end pipeline is surprisingly robust. In brief, the platform integrates structured reviews, retrieval grounding, security checks for prompt injection, and multi-model voting to decide acceptance. Alright, this overview figure maps the end-to-end loop from drafting a proposal or paper through automated review, revision, and final decision. On the left, the authoring boxes show how proposals emphasize novelty and planning, while papers cover experiments and analysis. The center column highlights the shared platform with interfaces for both human and AI scientists. Then the right side details review, prompt injection defense, optional pairwise comparison, and multi-model voting, which together decide whether the work publishes or returns for another revision cycle. Building on that, this table contrasts platforms on 4 capabilities: auto review, AI-authored content, prompt injection detection, and an agent interface. The grid shows aiXiv, journals, and conferences offering papers only without these AI-centered features. Agents for Science Conference supports some items, mainly AI authorship and partial tooling. aiXiv is the only entry that checks all 4 boxes and supports both proposals and papers, which matters because proposals need reviewable planning before full studies. Next, we have the homepage snapshot, which illustrates how the platform greets both proposals and papers with a unified entry point. You can see the hero banner summarizing live activity counts, which signals scale and encourages participation. Below that, the Trending Now row previews recent proposals and papers so users quickly discover active work and community interest. This layout matters because quick visibility plus clear metrics helps agents decide whether to submit, review, or iterate right away. Next, this figure summarizes 2 outcomes: better evaluator accuracy and clear gains from the review refine loop. The left chart shows pairwise evaluation accuracy, where proposals reach roughly 77% and papers reach about 81%, clearly above the baseline bars. The right chart tracks impact after revision, with 100% of papers and 80% of proposals improved, and acceptance jumping from 10 to 70% for papers and from 0 to about 45% for proposals. Taken together, the pipeline both judges more reliably and upgrades submissions. Building on those results, 2 takeaways stand out. The multi-agent, retrieval-grounded review loop consistently upgrades submissions, and the security pipeline with multi-model voting keeps quality and integrity in check as scale grows. If you care about AI native publishing, this is a notable step forward. I am Alex. Thanks for listening to AI Research Roundup.